Finding the best microwave convection oven can feel confusing when every model claims to do it all. The right one should cook fast, save counter space, and handle real US meals like frozen dinners, weeknight chicken, and weekend baking with ease. After testing and comparing many options, I've learned what truly works at home and what sounds better on paper. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Black & Decker Over-the-Range Microwave Oven. This is a smart pick if you want to save counter space. I liked how the over-range design keeps the kitchen clean and open. The air fry mode makes fries and nuggets crisp with less oil. Leftovers also taste fresh thanks to sensor reheat mode. The large turntable fits big dinner plates, which helps during busy weeknights. The vent fan pulls smoke and odors well while cooking. Setup takes some effort, so installation help is useful. It also runs louder than a countertop unit. Still, for US kitchens that need power, space savings, and air fry in one unit, this microwave feels practical and reliable. Number 4. Breville BM0870WSS Combi Wave 3-in-1 Microwave. This feels like a premium upgrade the first time you use it. I noticed how even the heat was right away. The power smoothing tech really helps with reheating pizza and soups. No hot edges, no cold center. I also love the soft closed door. It's quiet and smooth, which matters during early mornings. The combo cooking mode saves time when I cook frozen meals after work. Air fry results are crisp without extra oil. Controls feel smart, not confusing. Presets actually work well for daily food. On the downside, it takes a bit of counter space and costs more than basic models. Still, for US kitchens that want one smart appliance instead of 3, this microwave makes life easier and cooking more consistent. Number 3. Black & Decker 5-in-1 Microwave Oven with Air Fry. This is a solid pick if you want one appliance to do many jobs. I use it on busy days when I need speed. The 5-in-1 mode lets me microwave, bake, roast, grill, or air fry without switching tools. The air fry presets are very handy. Fries and nuggets cook fast and come out crisp. The quick start button saves time for reheats. Controls feel simple and clear. The child lock is helpful for family kitchens. Power is fine for daily meals, though heavy baking takes longer. Overall, it's practical, easy to use, and great for small kitchens. Number 2. GE GCST10A1WSS 1.0 cubic foot convection microwave oven. This is the microwave I suggest to friends who want power without bulk. It fits small US kitchens, apartments, and even dorm setups with ease. The air fry mode surprised me most. Fries and nuggets come out crisp, not soggy, and with less oil. The convection bake setting is great for pizza nights and quick roasting. Heat stays even thanks to steady airflow. Preset buttons save time on busy mornings. I like the clear glass turntable because food cooks evenly. The 2-step child lock adds safety for family homes. On the downside, the interior feels tight for large casserole dishes. Still, for daily meals, snacks, and reheats, it performs well. If you want a compact yet capable microwave convection oven, this one delivers reliable results. Number 1. TOSHIBA Air Fryer Combo 8-in-1 Countertop Microwave. I've used this microwave on busy weekdays and lazy weekends, and it feels made for real homes. The 8-in-1 cooking setup saves space and replaces multiple appliances. I can air fry snacks, bake pizza, or reheat leftovers fast. The 2-step child lock adds peace of mind, especially in family kitchens. Cooking feels even, and food stays crispy without extra oil. The size works well for most US countertops and fits a full chicken. The controls take a day to learn. Once you do, it's smooth. For anyone wanting flexibility without clutter, this combo microwave is a smart, practical pick. Final verdict. After testing and comparing features side by side, I personally recommend the TOSHIBA Air Fryer Combo 8-in-1 Countertop Microwave as the best overall pick. It offers the best balance of versatility, safety, and everyday performance, especially for busy US kitchens that want one appliance to do it all. The air fry results are impressive, and the compact design saves counter space without feeling limiting. If you're looking for a special use option, the GE GCST10A1WSS 1.0 cubic foot convection microwave oven is a solid choice. It's ideal for smaller households, dorms, or anyone who wants convection and air fry without extra complexity. Check the description links for current prices and full details, and pick the microwave oven that fits your kitchen style and cooking needs best.